What is up, guys? Unspeakable Manny here. Today we're gonna be trying to look for something dangerous. Well, it started dangerous for me, or for like anyone, because we're gonna be looking for a mountain lion that's here in the mountains. There's rumors that say that someone has actually been attacked here already. So let me go a little more forward and I'll start recording. So I've gone up a little more, and we're actually gonna go on top of the mountains. We're gonna end up like on top of a cliff. So yeah, guys, look at these mountains. Isn't this just amazing? We're gonna be looking for that mountain lion that supposedly already attacked someone. It's about I'm pretty sure it's like 4 already. And look at this tree, guys. I've actually found a snake here one time, but I've only been here like one time. So today we're actually gonna be looking for that mountain lion. And yeah, look at that right there, guys. You guys see that? It's a cliff. That's not the cliff we're going for, though. So I'm gonna stop a break. I'm gonna get a break up there where the cliff is at right there, guys, so I could like drink water or something. There was actually poison ivy right here this last time, but they removed it because a kid fell in there. And yeah, this is actually really tiring when you're chewing gum. You have a heavy suit on. Yeah, guys, that looks like a soldier. Yeah, I haven't even showed you my face since the beginning, guys, so sorry. I'm wearing glasses because the sun is really bright right now. I'm wearing a hat. I don't want to get my hair burned. And yeah, look at this, guys. This looks really creepy at night. These kind of trees really creepy at night. And it's actually pretty weird when you're like this. And let me go forward a little more. Guys, look at my shadow. Look at the shoes I'm wearing, guys. I'm wearing some mountain shoes. And there's actually some climbing stuff over here where you could actually climb like the side of the mountain. There's 2 signs right there. Oh yeah, guys, like I think it was like 2 or 3 months maybe when some of this was actually burning, and this is why the grass looks like this. But like I said, like 2 or 3 months ago, the grass was actually burning, and we're actually gonna go more over there. And yeah, and it's really tiring because I'm chewing gum and walking with the really heavy suit on. So yeah, and look at this, guys. We could actually climb. Oh, but look at this, guys. This looks so hard to climb. I'm gonna try to climb it, guys. Shall we try to climb it? Should we try to climb it? Should we or should we not, guys? Should we? Let's try to climb that side. Hold up. Look at this, guys. Amazing. Oh, guys. I just saw a lizard somewhere right here. I saw a lizard. I haven't even gone that far off the ground. Look. What if I went all the way right there? I'm gonna drop my phone from all the way up there. I'm gonna try to climb right there. Looks like there's a cave right there, guys. Can you guys see? Look, let me get closer. Could you guys see? It looks like there's a cave right there. Right there. I'll go see it, alright, guys. It's already been like 4 minutes into the video, and this is not even. Oh look, a snake hole. Let's keep going up there, guys. This is actually pretty hard to climb, even though I'm wearing boots, mountain boots, especially for this. This haven't gone off the ground yet. Look where I'm at right now. Whoa. Yeah, this is pretty hard to climb, guys. I'm gonna go back down. Look at this, guys. This is still pretty awesome. Like, imagine you're climbing that. Guys, also, I actually didn't know about this, but, no, it's not this thing, not this sign. You could actually bring horses if you're too lazy to walk by yourself. Or if you're too lazy to walk, you could actually bring horses onto this trail. I finally found the dirt trail. It was pretty hard because I didn't know where the hell it was. Because, yeah, this thing's pretty big. Look at these trees right there, guys. If you were to slip right here and fall, you would go down there. Yeah. Guys, look at this. That right there over there is the view of all of Salinas. Look at that. That amazing view. We're not at the cliff yet, guys, so once we're at the cliff, the view is gonna be amazing. My little brother's right here with me, guys. He's gonna be right here walking with me all the way until we get to the cliff all the way up there. But look at him. You know, hola.
Hola.
He has sticks for protection, guys. He has sticks. Way better than a freaking knife. I didn't bring a knife though, guys. Okay, so I'm walking up there. Guys, this is awesome. Actually, guys, I took my glasses off because it was getting a little too hot. And they're right here. It was getting a little too hot for my eyes. They're already sweating. And yeah, we're really close to that view I was telling you about earlier. So let's go. So guys, we're taking a break. We're sitting down right here. Me and my little brother, we're taking a break. We're pretty tired actually, guys. Look at the view of Salinas. Oh, you guys can't see it. Look at the view of Salinas right there, guys. It's awesome. We'll see you guys at the cliff. Alright, guys, so we're actually, I looked at the map. I think we're still like a quarter of a mile away from the cliff for the thing. And right there is where we're gonna actually, there's where we're actually gonna sit right there. Look at my little. Oh, guys, I also heard that there's actually a cave under the cliff where supposedly the mountain lion sleeps. So we're actually gonna go check that out too. Guys, look, the lizard, guys. I'm trying to catch it, an iguana. Okay. Is this a teacher? It's pretty hard, guys. I caught the iguana. Hold up, guys. I can't believe I actually caught. It wasn't an iguana, guys. It was a lizard. After all that, I almost stepped on it, and my mom's actually checking that out with my little brother, and I'm gonna be moving on, guys. I think I heard another lizard. This is so tiring, guys. I'm not even kidding. You guys should actually come here to Fort Ord. It's a beautiful place, guys. You guys should actually come here. So, guys, I think we're actually like legit so close to the thing right now because I've actually walked for a quarter. So far, I've actually walked 3/4 of a mile. So I think it's up here. Look at that, guys. We're not on top of the cliff yet, but I'm so close. Look at that, guys. There's a car right there. There's a parking lot, and yeah, it's just so beautiful, guys. Guys, that's the cliff right there, guys. I don't know if you guys could see it, but that's the cliff. I'm gonna go to it. You know, guys, you guys at home might think like, oh, he's only walked for 3/4 of a mile. How is he tired? This thing actually goes uphill and downhill. That's gonna be pretty tiring when you're wearing a suit like this. So yeah, guys, just saying that. I only have like 5 minutes left to record, guys. So I need to make the best of this. I'm gonna drink water, guys. Whoa. This is pretty tiring, guys. Oh God, guys. I barely even noticed this. I actually found the second cliff that was right here. Let me show this to you guys. The view here is amazing, but dangerous, guys. There's actually another cave down here. Look at this cliff, guys. It goes all the way down there. Could you guys see the cave down there? Look at my shadow right there, guys. This is amazing. I'm gonna go to the other cliff now. Here we go with the third cliff. And this cliff isn't like too special and all that. It just has this view. And it's not that high up. But it's the third cliff. I'm legit tired right now, guys. But we're gonna go up there to that cliff. It's all gonna be worth it. And this is the fourth cliff. This one is pretty high, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, guys. I just saw a mountain lion. I'm not even kidding. Right there. Can you guys see it? Dang. Someone must have died over there. Guys, I forgot all about this cliff. But this cliff isn't high. Well, it is like pretty high. But the view is amazing. Look at this. This is how the cliff looks. Also, guys, I brought a flashlight. I know it's daylight, but the cave. There's only 2 caves right here at this hill. One of them is there's actually water right there that is drinkable without boiling it. But that's like born water. And over there is just a badass view. Also, guys, if you walk over there on those trails, you're gonna actually wind up at Toro Park. Guys, I'm literally like 2 minutes away from the cliff. Guys, did you hear that? Is it just me or did I just hear something right there? Finally, guys, I'm finally here. I just need to walk through this trail, and it's only gonna take like about 20 seconds. Thank God. Oh God. Guys, this trail actually looks pretty creepy. The first time I came here, which is the only time I actually came here, I actually saw a bunny run across here. I'm hearing really creepy stuff here. Okay, guys. I actually went back because I actually dropped my flashlight. So now we have to go through the trail again. We finally made it, guys. I'm gonna cross through here. Trying to cross through here. Right here. So, this guy was here with me. This guy was actually following me. This is the cave I was telling you guys about, but you guys can't see. It was this. This is actually pretty cool in here, guys. Okay. Look at this. It's pretty cool. There's another one where water actually comes out of it. It's pretty cool. And this is the view I was telling you about. Isn't this amazing? This is the dang cliff. So guys, we're gonna check out the other cave. Plus I only got like 20 more seconds to record, so it's like over there, the other cave that jumps water. Taking the shortcut. Look at this drop down, guys. This is where the cave is. Guys, I'm not sure if you guys can see right there, but that's actually a hornet nest. Guys, that's technically not a cave, but that's where water is. Guys, look right there. Right now it's not December, so water's not dropping right there. Look at this though. It's amazing. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.